Hello guys, thank you for watching. This time I'm gonna show you how to install a DREAMLINE Prims plus 36-inch shower doors. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is just gonna inspect your package, make sure that nothing is broken. After that, you have to measure from the inside corner to the outside of the base 36 inches. Make a mark, draw a line. That's where you're gonna place your U channel. That's the outside of your U channel. Your U channel comes with holes. Okay, mark those holes, align it with the line that you draw, put a mark on each hole. That's where you're gonna drill. Okay, I'm using a nail to punch a little hole on the tile. That's gonna help me to keep my drill bit on place. Okay, after you go through the tile, make sure to get every single hole. Okay, after you have all the holes, you're gonna proceed to install the anchors of mollies. Okay, put a little bit of silicone behind the U channel. That's gonna pretty much glue it to the wall, and it's gonna help you to prevent any water leaks. Okay, so put a screw on each hole. You're gonna do that on both channels. Remember, make sure that they are tight, but don't over tie them. Okay, repeat that on both channels. Then the next step is we're gonna put the first panel. We're gonna install the panel that comes with the holes for the hinges. Okay, so this is bracket. I think it's called a bottom bracket. Take out the screw and place it on the glass. Okay, use the Allen key to tighten the bracket. Then see that L-shaped piece? That's gonna be facing on the inside, to the inside of the base. Okay. Now push the glass into the channel. Then make sure that you have the same distance, same measurement along the base. Then mark it. Okay, put a mark on the base so you know where that glass goes. Do the same thing on the other U channel. Okay, don't worry if you put the glass inside the U channel, it's not gonna come off. It's gonna stay on place because it's kind of tight. Then install the bottom bracket. After you install the bottom bracket, okay, do the same thing. You're gonna measure it's the same distance along the base. Then the distance between the two glasses has to be 23 inches and 15/16. So it's pretty much just a little line before 24. Okay, make sure that both of your glasses are level. They have to be plumb. Then put a mark on the L-shaped bracket. Okay, where the screw is gonna go. Then we're gonna drill. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit, okay, to drill through the base. Okay, just drill a hole there, Put an anchor. I suggest to put a little bit of silicone before you put this screw, so when you get the screw in, that's gonna seal for any leaking. Then apply silicone inside the U channel. Make sure that the silicone is going in. Then you're gonna insert the glass back on the U channel. Remember, the bracket, the L shape of the bottom bracket is facing inside the shower. Okay, now align the bracket, put it back into position so your hole is gonna be right on the anchor. Repeat the same thing on both glasses, on both panels. Okay, remember, push. Then we're gonna use these caps to cover the screws, the screws and the bolts. Okay, now you see this rubber washer. You're gonna put that on the L shape. Then you're gonna drive this screw. The washer, what's gonna do is gonna hold the cap in place, so when you look at it you don't see the screw. Okay, that's the finish that you're gonna have. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Good. Now that we have that, we're gonna install this L-shaped bracket that goes on the top. Okay, this is gonna hold, as you can see on the drawing, this is gonna hold our glass, and this goes on the wall. Okay, so make sure that it's straight. And what you're gonna do, I'm drawing a line just to make sure that I always keep it on place. But you're gonna take apart the this thing, the plate. Okay, and that comes with holes, so you're gonna mark those holes. That's what I put my line, so I know where to put it. Okay, I'm gonna mark the two holes. Remember, we're doing the same thing on both glasses. Okay, then we're gonna drill. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit, and I'm using plastic anchors. Right, the anchors are on the wall already. I'm gonna place the metal plate and drive the screws. Do not over tighten until you know where is the right position. put the L-shaped bracket on top, put the other bolts, then this is a cover plate to hide the screws. Okay, click it. Now use the Allen key to tighten those bolts. It comes with plastic protections between the glass and the bracket, so don't forget to put them in. Now we're doing the same thing on the other side. Drive the screws. Put the L-shaped bracket. Fasten it with the bolts that come with it. And that's it. Now, the next step is to put the anti-water strip. This, you're just gonna push the strip on the edge of the glass. Just push it in. Okay, don't be afraid, it's not gonna break, but make sure that it's in. Now we're gonna install the hinges. Okay, you're gonna take apart the hinge, then put it on place. That's how it's gotta go, you see? Don't forget the plastic shims or protections that come with it. Okay, then use the Allen key to tighten those screws or bolts. The hinge has to be level too. Tighten it all the way. Don't be afraid, it's not gonna break the glass or nothing. Just make sure that it's really tight, because these glass are heavy on the shower door. I mean, it's a good weight. Now I'm using shims. Do the same thing on the door. I'm using shims to keep the door on place. Alright, after I tie the hinges to the door, this is how it's gonna look. Then we're gonna install the water strip with a few marks where the hinges are. Then you're gonna cut 3 pieces, one for the middle, one for the top, and one for the bottom. Alright, don't worry, water is not gonna come out. Those are protections for where the joints are. Next step is install the door handle. Just loose the screws again between the glass. Don't forget to put the plastic protections. Make sure it's in place, then tie it. Now the next step is waterproof the shower. For that we're gonna use clear silicone, and you're gonna apply it all the way along the bottom, the side, inside and outside of the panels. After you got all that done, The next step is just to cover all the screws, all the bolts. So use the caps that come with the kit. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This is what your finished product is gonna look like. Beautiful shower doors, Dreamline. And this is the Prims Plus 36 inch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Exacto.
Quítame un dedo. Sí, sale. A ver aquí. ¿Sí se ve? Sí.